Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the ins and outs of customizing Trello's card preview, a feature that will revolutionize the way you organize your tasks. First up, log into your Trello account and select the specific board you want to customize the card preview for. This is crucial because each board may require a unique layout and preview for its distinct tasks. Now that we've done that, navigate to the menu option on the right-hand side, then click on More, and then Settings. Here's where the magic happens. This is the control center for all your customization needs and where we'll be focusing most of our attention. Next, click on Card Cover Images Settings. This helps us because it lets us decide what part of the card information shows up in the preview. The reason we do this is to have an at-a-glance overview of our tasks without needing to click on each individual card. Once there, you'll see a drop-down menu with options like Cover Image Only, Cover Image and Content, or No Cover Image. Choose the one that best fits your needs. For instance, if you want to see both the image and some content from the card in the preview, go with Cover Image and Content. Let me explain why this matters. By adjusting these settings, you can tailor your Trello board to show exactly what you need, helping you streamline your tasks and work more efficiently. Finally, hit Save. The reason we do this is to lock in our changes and make sure they apply to our Trello board. And there you have it. You've now customized your Trello card preview to suit your specific needs. Remember, the key to productivity is making your tools work for you, and with these adjustments, you've just taken a big step towards that. Keep exploring and keep customizing.